Every day, millions of discarded plastic bottles arrive at facilities like this, beginning an extraordinary transformation journey.
The inbound volume is higher than projected for this hour.
Yeah, we'll need to open up Sector 4 earlier than planned.
Keep pushing, you're clear.
Copy that.
We need to speed up the intake on the far side.
Before recycling can begin, every bottle must be sorted, inspected, and prepared for processing.
Check the alignment on the cap removal mechanism. It looks slightly off.
It is within tolerance, but I will keep an eye on it. After cap removal, the bottles continue through specialized systems designed to separate labels and prepare the material for deep cleaning.
Check the intake valve on line 3. It's showing a blockage.
I see it. Rerouting the flow now.
As you can see, the optical sorters are maintaining 99% accuracy on the clear stream.
Incredible efficiency. We are cleared for the washing phase.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It's dipping below the threshold.
Yeah, I see that. Let's adjust the pressure.
We need to ensure the flow rate remains steady across all lines this shift.
I'm monitoring the levels now, and everything looks optimal.
Advanced washing systems ensure that every bottle is thoroughly cleaned before it can be transformed into a new product. As you can see on the HMI, the transmembrane pressure is stable at the desired GPH flow rate. Yes, the system is performing optimally.
Once cleaned and prepared, the bottles are ready to be broken down into small plastic flakes that form the foundation of the recycling process.
Look at this piece here, wrong color. Yeah. Got it. Looks like a bad batch coming through.
Shredding transforms entire bottles into small plastic fragments that can be cleaned, refined, and processed into new raw materials.
That last batch looks much cleaner.
Yes, the separation system is working perfectly now. I'll log the data. 4 days. After shredding and purification, the recycled plastic flakes are ready to be transformed into pellets. We are initiating the pelletizing sequence on line 3. Looks good. Monitor the temperature closely.
The recycled plastic is now transformed into a molten material that can be reshaped into a valuable manufacturing resource.
Quality is holding steady at 99.8%. Yeah. Good. Keep monitoring the flow rate on line 3. These recycled pellets will soon become polyester fibers, the essential material used to create modern luxury carpets. The melt pressure is fluctuating slightly on the south side. I see that. Rerouting the cooler loop now. Through advanced extrusion technology, recycled plastic is transformed into thousands of ultra-fine polyester fibers.
The sensor readings are fluctuating on this batch. It's within tolerance, the cooling rate adjusted automatically. Look at the durability metrics here. We're seeing a 20% improvement.
That aligns with the increased draw ratio.
The recycled fibers are now ready to be spun into yarn, the foundation of every luxury carpet produced in this facility.
Check the temperature reading on the bee spinners.
It's holding steady, well within optimal parameters.
Look at this spike here. We need to adjust the feed rate immediately. Thousands of recycled fibers are combined and twisted together to create durable yarn suitable for premium carpet manufacturing.
Inventory levels on the south side are holding steady.
Good. Let's reroute the AGVs to Sector 4. The throughput on the magenta line dropped slightly this hour. I see that. The viscosity levels look stable, though. Keep an eye on the feed tension here. Looks good. The color saturation is right on target now. Advanced dyeing technology allows manufacturers to create consistent colors that will later become sophisticated carpet designs. The efficiency metrics on the blue line are up 20% since the upgrade. We should maintain this throughput.
Check the temperature on line 3.
It's holding steady at 180.
Are you seeing any variations on the gray?
No, consistency is holding steady at 98%.
With the yarn prepared and colored, the manufacturing process moves into one of its most impressive stages, the creation of luxury carpets.
System status is optimal across the board. Good. Let's increase the speed on the blue spools by 5%.
Advanced weaving technology transforms recycled polyester yarn into durable carpets designed for homes, offices, and luxury interiors. The consistency report shows green across the board. Excellent. Let's monitor the tension levels on the next run.
Before the carpets can be finished, additional reinforcement layers are applied to improve durability, stability, and long-term performance.
The application looks flawless on this batch. Agreed, the adhesion is perfect, right within spec. Send it through to curing.
Reinforcement layers help provide the stability and durability required for luxury carpets used in homes, hotels, and commercial spaces. With reinforcement complete, the carpets move into final finishing departments where appearance, texture, and presentation are refined before quality testing begins.
Keep an eye on the alignment for the next batch coming through.
Roger that. The cutting systems are ready.
Precision finishing ensures every carpet meets exact size, texture, and appearance standards before reaching customers. Before leaving the factory, every carpet undergoes rigorous testing to verify durability, comfort, and long-term performance. Quality testing helps ensure that every carpet can withstand years of daily use while maintaining its appearance and comfort.
The laser scan data confirms the fiber density is optimal.
And the softness scores are consistent across all batches on the main display. After passing rigorous quality standards, the carpets move into packaging departments, where they are prepared for shipment across the United States and beyond. Okay, place that roll in High Bay 4, Rack 12, and confirm the inventory scan when you're done.
Check the dye lot on that roll up there, near the beam. Confirmed. It matches the manifest for the Texas shipment.
Bay 3, expedite the carpet order for New York. We need that trailer out in 10 minutes. With production complete, the carpets begin their journey through distribution networks that deliver them to homes, businesses, and retailers across America. Great, that matches the invoice. Make sure it goes into the correct slot in the rack.
This gradient really highlights the depth of the charcoal weave. It's proving very popular with our high-end clients.
While I love the silk look of this one, the durability of the textured velvet might be better for the main living area.
The cashmere Berber has such an incredible hand. It's truly luxurious. It feels amazing. I really love this cream one. It is perfect for the living room.
What began as discarded plastic waste has now become a premium flooring product designed to enhance homes and commercial spaces. What was once considered waste has become a valuable resource through innovation, engineering, and modern American manufacturing.